Hi there, I'm Dr. Mansueto. I'm Dental Director at the World Center for Migraine Relief. Here to talk today about a recent discovery that was made by a group of dentists, chiropractors, and medical doctors working in conjunction together initially on one patient that by accident caused her migraine headaches to disappear. That surprise finding led us to try out similar techniques on another patient that was actually one of the doctors. Well, it was a female doctor, dentist working with us, who also suffered from migraines. We did similar procedures, dental and chiropractic mainly, with some osteopathic medical on her, which led to her migraine headaches disappearing within a week. That led us down the path of looking for 4 or 5 more patients, which we accessed, sourced from our separate practices, same procedures, same results. Another 4 or 5 people in a row completely remedied from their migraine headaches. This led this small group of healthcare professionals to consult together and determine what each one of them had done to cause the migraine pain to disappear. Now, 5 people in a row now. We stumbled onto the realization that it was a force overload phenomenon that starts in the jaws, not at the top of the head. That it starts from the muscle contractures that occur from these large, powerful muscles of mastication that squeeze together the jaw muscles, the teeth, and transmit these forces up from inside the mouth, up through the soft palate into the head, and also up the side of the head through the cranial bones that exist here. The bottom line in this initial discovery and this talk today is as an introduction to the fact that this group, which is now expanded to about 20 doctors, appears to have discovered the cause and remedy for the majority of migraines. We have taken care of now a few hundred people with a staggering success rate north of 90%, indicating by any interpretation of scientific means that this is beyond significant, the discovery of the force overload disorder that we have termed Dento Cranial Force Disorder, because it describes what occurs here, the forces that generate here, that travel up through the head, up the side of the head, up from inside, and create pressure on the inside of the head that causes the majority of migraine headaches. The bottom line in this is that we have identified the cause, which allowed us to identify and quantify the solution, because we actually found a solution first when we weren't looking for it, which allowed us to reverse engineer into what was causing the pain. And what we determined from these force overloads that we identified was that the force overloads serve as a source of trauma and inflammation. And inflammation is what causes pain in the human body. So we have now found the hidden cause of the majority of inflammation that everybody in the medical world now appears to agree that is the cause of migraine headaches. They just haven't known up to this point what causes the inflammation. That's where all the guesses have come in about all kinds of different theories that really don't address anything that is a usual source of trauma, which this force overload phenomenon that we have discovered, in fact, is. Anyhow, this is the first in a series of educational videos that we would like to share more information with you that's been compiled in a book. It's just out on Amazon now, called The Migraine Report, written by a collaboration of doctors. If you like the information that you're hearing about now and you'd like to hear more, please subscribe to the channel and communicate with us. Send us a message telling us what you'd like to hear specifically about in this area of great need out there, and we will do our best to respond to that in one of the future videos. So we look forward to seeing you on the next informational video on how to permanently remedy your migraines. So again, please subscribe to the channel and give us your views. Thank you.